healthy on a budget is not necessarily to cut out all of your favorite foods, but instead to be more mindful of the way you eat them, substituting high-calorie ingredients with healthier alternatives. If you are trying to eat healthy on a budget, eating out should be the first thing to go. You can save a lot of money by preparing your food. However, this doesn't mean you have to eat bland, tasteless food. Eating healthy is something you can't go wrong with. You can eat healthy food without spending a lot of money. Let's look at how to eat healthy when on a budget. Before we begin today's video, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel so you get notified when I come up with the next amazing video. The first and most important is to plan what you're going to eat for the next week. You can make a list of required ingredients and check if you've already had those ingredients. You can only buy what is required. If you're looking for tasty, healthy, and cheap foods, consider these. 1. Oats. Oats are a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Some of the meal ideas include oatmeal, oatmeal bars, and oatmeal cookies. You can combine oatmeal with fruits, milk, for a delicious meal. 2. Frozen vegetables. Frozen vegetables can have a similar nutrition content as fresh vegetables for a lower price. You can use these vegetables as side dishes for lunch or dinner. You can also use them for soups and casseroles. 3. Beans. Beans are a very versatile and nutritious food. You can add them to any dish. Beans contain vitamins, minerals, fiber, iron, and folate. Beans are an excellent source of protein. Consuming legumes and beans will reduce the risk of heart disease. You can add them in soups, burritos, and salads. 4. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein. Eggs can be consumed in many ways, including hard-boiled, scrambled, omelet, etc. You can combine it with other foods to have a great breakfast, or you can add it as an ingredient to fried rice. 5. Brown rice. Brown rice has a good source of fiber. It's part of complex carbs. Brown rice can help you with lowering cholesterol and blood sugar levels. If you're someone who eats rice as your meal, then brown rice might be your ideal choice. 6. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is a good source of protein. Peanut butter also makes you feel full. It's one of the cheapest food that you can have, and it can last for months. You can make peanut butter cookies or can go well with sandwiches. 7. Bananas. Bananas are one of the cheapest that you can buy from the store. They're packed with vitamin C, fiber, potassium, manganese, and vitamin B6. Most of them avoid bananas for their high sugars. But bananas have fiber, which makes the blood sugar in control. You can eat it as a snack or mix it with oatmeal. Diabetic people can check with their doctor before including it in their diet. 8. Spinach. Spinach is loaded with nutrients and antioxidants. It's an excellent source of iron, manganese, and vitamins. Spinach can be added to almost every meal. You can add spinach to your smoothies. One of my favorites is spinach chicken. Let us know in the comments section which food you prefer eating when on a budget. If you like this video and feel like it could help your friends, then share it right away. See you in the next video. Till then, eat healthily.